So after the horizontal alignment, we already done by regression, the vertical one, we can start to using the regression function here as well. So first of all, we need to create the profiles from the regression line. So I just click from profile from regression line, and then select the temporary geometry so that I can turn on and then turn off the features later. And then you need to select the regression line. So regression line is the point created, and then select the pen element, which is the regression alignment, and then select the view. So then you will see it is a regression line for the temporary. So we can also create the vertical curvature diagram based on regression line here, and then we can select the third view for the regression wheel, so that you can also see here it's about like we have the profile. We also have the regression curve is a vertical curvature diagram here. So now if we want to create a profile for this based on the point, so that we can using a vertical regression function here. So we can single to do it as what like horizontal to do, but I need to be very careful about the vertical, because in parabolic for the row or rail for circular, here we will not have the spirals. So they only have a tangent, the line, and also parabolic curve only. So here will not be happen. So I recommend you can just using a quick vertical regression here, and then select the parabolic length in these cases, and then select the alignment features, which is they will formula to vertical alignments for you. So I just select the vertical profile here. So I say from start and then to the end, accept it. So you will see it will create a vertical alignment for you here. So if I turn off in the OpenRail standard, I just simply turn it off, you will see the in the profile it already create the verticals alignment for you, and each of it is if you click to here, each of it is a parametric and the vertical element is already done. So as I say, there's a no function about the spiral for the vertical curve. So what you need to do, maybe you can simply adjust this one here so that it can be drawn to every drawn the line together. So in this case, you can calculate the parameters here. Okay, it's like is it 75 here, so that you can go back to the geometry verticals and then go to the profile curve between elements, parabolic between elements, so that you can set other features. For example, here I don't set any features, just select the start one, and then dynamic to change. So I just try to snap to this point so that I can control the curve here, similar here, and then accept it. So I trim both. Okay, it will join together. So in this case, because this one is the regression one, so I may turn it off so that I will have a new one here. Of course, you can adjust it, like you can adjust the length like 61, so that it will join the curve based on your requirement. So I just simply do another one here. So again, I using parabolic. So between elements. So again, the start and end, so that you can do the vertical, like what the regression help you. So I trim both, so it will join together. Again, I just delete the element about this one here, so I got this one. So again, I can change it, so it makes like 2007, so that you will make the variables clear, more clearly here, or change the length, so it also help you to change it. So the last one here, maybe we need to using another tools here. So maybe the from elements, parabolic from elements, because it's all parabolics. So again, I trim back. So just select this one, start from the point that we start, the last one, and then continues, snap to here, or you can control other point so that you can fit it back here, to trim the back. So this is how we can fix it. So after you fix it, this is a new alignment that you have for the vertical. So again, you need to complex by elements. So you can select it automatic and change to the geometry baseline. Accepted. So it becomes your files. So if I just simply select this one as you can set it as a vertical. So horizontal vertical is already done. So the next one, maybe you want to know how good is the regression to do. So you can just simply go back to the whale regression. There's a report here. So horizontal regression report. You can set like I want to check for every 10 meters or 5 meters for the intervals. So you turn on the geometry line again. So locate the center line, locate the regression line, and then it will generate the report to you. In the report, if you go to, it is all about the report that the point, the school is how is the offset between the point. If you go to the we call horizontal regression point school, so you can see left and right how many difference between it. So here you will see about like 0.1 meters about the difference between the offset. Is you will see how good is it. So again, in vertical is also the similar way. So go back to the verticals. You will locate the center line. You can locate the regression line here as well. So it will also go to the we call vertical regression for you. So again, you can see it, and then you will also see how good is the vertical as well. So it is how about the regression to do.